friends, we got red oak on the sawmill and plenty of cats up here. This is Cabbage right here. He's Mr. Attention Seeker tonight. So this is a red oak I started about, there's another cat climbing up here. It's getting out of hand. I think about 4 or 5 days ago I started this red oak. As you can see, I didn't finish it obviously, but I did get it squared up. What are you wanting? Good Lord, there's another one up here. Cats everywhere. They will go away when that Yanmar cranks up though. They hate that loud noise. So I squared it up the other day. I lost train of thought here. Thanks a lot, guys. So this red oak we started about 4 or 5 days ago. I got it squared up. I'm really not sure what to do with it. It's got a terrible crack on the far side down here. And it looks like there was a little bit of a crotch right there where the limbs came out. And you know, red oak does not have crotch figure in my opinion that's worth even taking a second look at. And I'm not really sure what to do with this log. If I saw it from this face, which is the best face right here on the top that Cabbage is walking around on, we'll get 1x12s. I need to skin it down to about 1x10 though, so it'll go through the molder. But I'm really not sure. I may turn it into 1x6s for siding or something. I don't know. So what we'll probably do is turn it 45 degrees. I need to take a face cut off these sides and clean them up just a little bit of bark on this side. Get it down to about 10 inches because if I make regular boards out of this, 5/4 boards, then 10 inches will go through the molder once we run this through the kiln. I've got to hold this cat. It's killing him. He's wanting some attention tonight. One thing about these cats, I get asked all the time in the video comments, every one of them are spayed or neutered, or you know, as far as that goes, they've all been fixed. All the ones that we claim, we have about 9 here at the mill that belong to us, and several that show up every few days that we feed. They're kind of wild though. So that's what we're going to do tonight to finish up this video. We'll do this red oak. If you guys see me making some wide cuts and it looks okay, we're going to do 1x10s. If I start flipping this a lot, we're probably going to do 1x6s. Real quick about the t-shirts and the hats and all the merchandise, I'm still working with that new company. We should have that stuff on their website before Christmas. I got some stuff from those guys yesterday. Everything's looking good, so we should have that stuff very soon. And with this company, no more pre-orders. Are you trying to claw me? What's going on here? You want to fight? No more pre-orders. So with these guys, if you want an extra large shirt, you go on the website, you order it, and here it comes to you in a few days. There's no waiting for them to be made or nothing like that. It's gonna be really nice. My goodness, Cabbage. He's ate up with it tonight. These cats, thanks to Bruno, all these cats are spoiled to death. He spoiled every one of them. All right, guys, let's get you somewhere. Look, there's one up around the engine. Good Lord. All right, guys, let's warm up the diesel, make sure no cats are up there so we don't kill anybody, and get this knocked out and call it a day. And one more thing, in the last video I talked about showing you guys how to make the pallets. We'll try to do that tomorrow. I've been trying to get this frame done or more progress on it and get some stuff sawed up. After this red oak is done, if anybody's wanting to know, there's 2 more red oaks in front of the mill. Then we're going to switch over to some white pine for the timber frame. So I'm all over the place tonight, guys. I got too much going on here. All right, let's get this. Good Lord, there's another cat. Let's start this engine up before we get cats everywhere. They're gonna take over the cameras here in a minute. Thanks for watching, guys, and I always try to do this in the videos, but I forget. Forgive me. Thanks to everybody on Patreon for supporting the channel, and thanks to everybody for subscribing to the channel. We're almost to 96,000 subscribers. I think that's where we're about at. I think we're at 95.5 or something like that. Quit fighting me. So we should be to 100,000, hopefully, by the first of the year, or by the end of the year, rather. So that's my goal. So hang in there, guys. Try to get these cats out of the way and we'll get some red oak sawed. You guys are killing me. Get down. right, friends, I'll tell you what. I stopped sawmilling for one reason, to show you guys this timber. But goodness sakes alive, this thing right here tonight is just ridiculous how good it's running. The diesel's going good, everything sounds good. I got a number 4 degree 045 Wood-Mizer double hard blade on there. It was hard to turn this thing off, guys. It was difficult. When you're sawing like that and you get into the zone and you can really feel the mill, and you guys that run sawmills, you know what I'm talking about. It's hard to cut it off, but I really want to show you guys what's coming off the mill. This red oak here is spectacular. I turned it into 10 inches on the width, and I got rid of some of the wane, but we got some of that cracking on the far end. But based on what I'm seeing as far as the boards coming off the mill, this is board number, what is it? Board number 3. It's pretty nice, guys. It's pretty nice. It looks really good, but I just want to brag on this sawmill for a minute. Man, this thing is a machine right here, I tell you. Never gets old running the sawmill. It never gets old. Goodness, this stuff is nice, guys. I'm flat sawing this. We got all kinds of stuff going on right here. We got quarter sawn grade on the side of this board. We have cathedrals in the middle. And on the end right here, this is something I was not expecting, guys. And I say that a lot on this channel, but when I say it, I really mean it. It looks really nice right here. This is some good figure that I was not expecting right here on this oak. Well, down here, let me show you this part first. Got the medullary raise right there on the side. Got some cathedral patterns going on there in the middle. But look up here, guys. Check that out right there. What in the world are we gonna do with that? That is very nice right there. I hope it dries nice. It may dry and just warp all over the place. That grain's going everywhere, and red oak is not the easiest timber to dry. But that right there is very unique. A little bit of spalting there on the sides. And the grain is just ridiculous right there. It's a teardrop coming down right there. That's really nice right there, really unique.